Hello, viewers. I am very happy to meet you. I am BVG. Today, under the heading of potency in our hand, we are going to see the subtopic first night phobia. Okay, let us go into the video. From the heading first night phobia, we can understand the fear of first night. Generally, many youngsters have kind of fearness during first night. That is known as a first night phobia. The bridegroom have kind of fairness, even the bride also will all have some kind of fairness. That is called first night phobia. Okay, this first night phobia makes some problem to the bridegrooms and bride. Today, what are the problems we will see in this video. Generally, the first night will be held at the end of the marriage function, that is at night. So, the marriage ceremonies will be conducted from the morning up to middle of the night sometimes, during which the bridegroom and the bride will have a lot of things to perform during these functions, during which they will get too much tired. Okay, with that tired, they will come to first night room. Okay, you can understand my point. I think the tiredness and sex will not go together, will never go together. When you want to do sex, you must have a nervous energy, lot of energy. The nervous energy will be depleted with a lot of works during day and watching more television. That is, nowadays people are always begin the blue screen, which deplete all our energy. This is one reason. There are many reasons to deplete our energy. Stress and other things also deplete our energy. So, when you are drained out, automatically you will not have enough energy to have sex. That will lead to failure in the sex. When you meet a failure, it will lead to a lot of other problems. So, it is a vicious circle. So, it is natural for many human beings to failure in first night. We have to take it for granted sometimes. We should not take it as a serious one. After some times, it will come naturally. It will be succeed. Many people assume, like in a cinema and phonograph, they will at first sight, they have to make a success. These are imaginary things. Pornographies and cinemas and novels are imaginary things. These are things will be happen only imaginaries. You know, pornography are edited. They will do bit by bit and they will join together and will show us. This is a duplicate one. In practical, it will not be happen like that. Many couples in reality will have a success after 15 days, after a month. Even some people have a success after a year. So we should not come to conclusion the failure, all failure has come to us. We are unfit to that, unfit to that. That is it. We have to do, we can do anything hereafter. They will come to, some people may do suicide because of this failure. This is because of ignorance. Because of ignorance, they have to come conclusion we are not fit for that manliness. That's why they go for a suicide and other things. Not only man, even a bride also kind of a vaginism. Because of fear, the sexual organ do not function very well. They will get a vaginism. Vaginism means, I will tell very well detail in later videos. Vaginism, in short, I will tell you the tightness of vagina. When ladies have tightness in vagina, they can't enjoy the sexual intercourse. This happens during the first night because of fearness, because of tiredness, because of ignorance. It will lead to vaginism to bride, that is women. And because of tiredness, because of fearness, because of ignorance, that lead to consciousness. Particularly men, when the men don't have erection during the first night, they will automatically operate their consciousness. They like to force the penis to get erection. When your concentration is alerted towards penis, you will not get an erection. It is natural process without your consciousness. Just you have to lift it, automatically it will function. Like a heart and the lungs, it will function. At the same time, you should be energized. That is, you should not be tired. You should be relaxed. You should be fully energized. And you should not be conscious. That is, your concentration should not be on penis and their functions. Okay. So sometimes if you get success, no problem. Sometimes if you do not get success, that is, if you meet failure, that is no problem. After 15 days, after 1 month, after 2 months, after a year, you will get success. You have to, during which you have to keep patience. It is a learning process. It will not come up. Many people think it will come automatically. It will come not. It will come automatically, but at the same time, there is a something. You have to learn it. That is a learning process. Like a eating, like a defecation, like everything in our human activity, this is also learning process. We have to slowly learn. After learning, we will be success. It is not a big project, big thing. Main thing, our concentration, our thought, our effort will not be on our sexual organ and its functions. Your concentration, your focus only on sexual stimulant, only on your partner or other sexual stimulants, imagination, other movie stars and other any other sexual stimulant, not your functions, sexual organ function or sexual organ or at its functions. That is, performance oriented will not be there. What is the performance oriented things? Performance oriented means when you meet your partner during first night or first meet to have a sex, a lot of thoughts will go on your mind. First of all, first the man generally think whether we will get erection, whether we will get a maintain this erection. Second, we will whether we satisfy our partner, whether we will do very well, whether the erection hot, the erection will be hot like a rock. Another thing concerning about ejaculating at a speed level, quickly ejaculating, whether we will ejaculate quickly or we will not ejaculate for a long time. So things, such things will go on in our mind. Some people think about their body, whether our body is fit for our partner, like good fitness, good, nothing will be there. Very normal person. If you are keep fit, if you are hygienic, if you are healthy person, automatically it will function like heart and lungs. It will not need like a big bodybuilder body or other things. Naturally, it will be normal body will be enough to do these things. Like this, women also imagine ourselves, our body is not good, our bust, our boobs, our bumps will not be good. They will think like that. So these all will lead to failure in performance. This is known as a performance anxiety. Any other things we will think about this sex will lead to failure. So just avoid it. It is natural process. Even a good bodybuilder will receive the same amount of oxygen from outside. Even the person will not do any exercise will also receive the same amount of oxygen from outside. So there is no need. Because of doing it exercise, the body will be healthy. He is normal, that's all. The person, both person can breathe. Both person can have a food, the food will be digested. When he receive oxygen, it will be breathe, the breathing will take place like that. The erection will take place if you are normal. It is a normal function. There is no need of worry about the performance, about its function, about it. It will function very naturally if it is left to itself. We left the breathing function to lungs. We leave the heartbeat function to heart. We leave digestion function to our stomach and bones. We leave urination to kidney itself. Like that, we have to leave the copulation function to penis itself. When we leave these all function to other organs, we are not conscious. We do not do any effort. We do not do any effort for that functions. It will function very naturally. It will work automatically like that. We have to leave the function to penis itself. It will take care of. At the same time, for lungs, hot air will be necessary. For heart, blood will be necessary. For digestion, food will be necessary. For kidney, urine, that is water, blood is necessary. Like that. For penis erection, stimulant is necessary from our sense organ, from outside world. Without that stimulants, it will not function because it is a reflex action. Reflex action always need stimulant. When a stimulant is absent, the reflex function will not function. So, for the reflex, these are all reflex actions. Whatever I told you so far, these are all reflex action. These reflex action all need stimulant. When the stimulant is there, automatically it function. When the stimulant is not there, the function will not function. So, when a pin is to work, we have to give all the necessary things for this function. Okay, we should not force it, we should not concentrate on it, we should not conscious about it, we should not give any effort. By conscious effort, we in office, in other external world, we can do anything with our conscious effort. That is effort done by body and mind. But in sex, if we apply this type of effort, we will not get a success. So we should not apply any effort. We shall we should be very relaxed. We should be very carefree. We should not concentrate. We should not spectate. We should not watch itself. Automatically function. We should not come to conclusion. Always thinking that always the first night will be success. Some people it will be success. Some people it will not success. But after some time, automatically the success will come to you. Before this, during which we have to keep patience. Okay, this is known as a first night phobia. When you go to first night, we have to be first relaxed. Otherwise, if you are more tired, just postpone the first night some other days. It will be success. Okay, thank you, viewers. I will tell you this message for your benefits. Please share this message to your friends and other people, those who are in need of these things. Share it and like my videos and subscribe my videos. Thank you all. Thank you very much.